step-by-step guide on how to do dumbbell side lunges correctly, plus tips to get the most out of them. How to do dumbbell side lunges. Starting position. 1. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. So you hold a dumbbell in each hand at your sides, neutral grip. Or hold one dumbbell at chest level, goblet style. 3. Engage your core and keep your chest upright. Movement. 1. Take a wide step to the right with your right foot. 2. Bend your right knee and push your hips back, keeping your left leg straight. 3. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders back. 4. Lower until your right thigh is parallel or close to the floor. 5. Press through your right heel and return to the starting position. 6. Repeat on the left side. Tips for proper form. Keep your toes pointing forward, not turned out too much. Don't let your bent knee extend past your toes. Keep the dumbbells close to your body for balance. Move slowly and controlled. Avoid rushing the step. Engage your core to protect your lower back. Muscles worked. Primary: glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, adductors, inner thighs. Secondary: core, calves, lower back, hip stabilizers. Variations: goblet side lunge. Hold one dumbbell at chest level. Deficit side lunge. Stand on a step-part plate to increase range of motion. Lateral lunge to curl press. Add an upper body move for full body training. Side lunges with dumbbells are especially good for strengthening inner thighs and glutes while also improving hip mobility and balance. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.